In this video, you'll learn how to replace a Capital One card. Whether your card is damaged, lost, or you suspect fraud, getting a replacement is a straightforward process that you can easily handle online or through the Capital One mobile app. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to access your Capital One account. You can do this by opening the Capital One mobile app on your smartphone or by logging into your account online via your computer. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. If you haven't already downloaded the app, it's available on both the App Store and Google Play, making it convenient no matter what device you're using. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your account dashboard. Here, you'll want to locate and select the specific credit or debit card you wish to replace. This is an important step as choosing the correct card ensures that the right one is deactivated and replaced. Take a moment to double check that you've selected the correct card, especially if you have multiple accounts. Next, navigate to the section labeled Account Services or Card Settings. You'll find this option either at the bottom of the screen or in the menu depending on whether you're using the app or the website. Within this section, look for the option that says Replace Card or Report Lost or Stolen Card. Selecting this option will initiate the replacement process. Now, you'll be prompted to confirm the reason for requesting a replacement card. Capital One offers various options such as damage, loss, or fraud. Simply follow the prompts and select the reason that best matches your situation. This step is crucial as it helps Capital One handle your request appropriately and ensures your account's security. Once you've completed the prompts and confirmed your request, Capital One will start processing your replacement. They'll issue a new card and mail it to the address they have on file for you. It's a good idea to check that your address is up to date to avoid any delays in receiving your new card. And there you have it. That's how to replace a Capital One card. Remember, this process is designed to be as simple and hassle-free as possible, putting you back on track with minimal disruption. If you encounter any issues or have concerns along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to Capital One's customer service for assistance. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.